this video. This is Arvind Mota, and I'm going to reconstruct a trade which I took today personally, and I'll explain to you how exactly I approached this trade and what kind of profits I was able to achieve. Okay, so this is Nifty chart today. So Nifty actually opened with the gap down today at 11,986. Okay, and it was purely range bound till about 10. I think 10:25, 10:30, right? It was just moving sideways, not much momentum. And if you look at the support zone of Nifty, it was around 11,980, right? So it's a clear buy zone. It's a clear buy signal which we can see here, right? So I looked at the options chain, okay, and I took the strike price of 12,100. Okay, it was trading at around 28 to 30 at that time. Okay, so I'm going to come to this chart of Nifty options 12,100 C call option. Okay, it was, again, you can see it's range bound, right? It's moving between 31 to 27. The options premium value, I'm saying, right? So I take entry at somewhere around 10 o'clock at 28. The option premiums at 28. Okay, and then I wait, right? Because it is purely range bound. So when you're doing scalp trading, you have to buy in very high quantity, and you have to be very firm on your stop loss, and you can take this only in times of a sideways movement market. This is ideal time to plan a trade like this. So I enter here. Okay, after I enter, what happens? Nifty falls a little bit. It comes down to 28 here, right? So I add more quantity. Okay, I add more quantity and I keep waiting. Okay, and but what happens is, even below, it goes below my zone, which is my range here. It breaks down, it goes below 224, right? But I'm still not exiting the trade. I'm still holding on to it because I'm very confident that Nifty will show a reversal. It's exactly at support zone, right? And even if it's going towards S2, I can still hold on to an extent, unless I'm not very sure about the trade, right? So what happens? I'm keeping on holding on to it, and again, after it breaks down, you can see it's again range bound here. Okay, it's a purely sideways movement, and at around 12 o'clock, it breaks out here above the resistance zone, and it goes and hits 31 to 32, right? So if we look at my orders, I placed two orders, one at 10.9. I entered at 30.8. After it drops a little, I make one more entry at 28. I'm adding 3,000 quantity more. Okay, and I keep waiting, and I'm exiting at around 12.4 at 31.5, and the price difference is around, I think, two. It will be around that. Very minor difference in terms of price, because I'm buying it very high quantity. I don't want to hold it for a long time. I'm going to book my profits, right? So if you look at my profits, I was able to get around 12,330 profit. But what happens after I exit? Nifty actually goes bullish, right? If you look at this, it turns bullish. It goes to 35. It goes up to, in fact, it goes up to 50, 45 to 50. You can see here, right? It's a huge jump at around 1 o'clock here. Okay, which I unfortunately missed. But in terms of scalping, it is very high risk. Again, we have to exit probably in even 2 hours was actually long in this case. But most likely half an hour to 1 hour is maximum that you can hold on to a scalp trading. It's most likely it'll be a few seconds or a minute. But in this case, when you're taking a trade in sideways movement market, you have to be a little more patient, right? So this is a scenario which I decided I took this trade, and it's all about timing, and a little bit of patience is required, and you'll be able to book a lot of profits. Okay, so I hope this was clear to you. I was able to explain when I explained the Nifty chart. Also, you can see the similar pattern which you saw in the options premium chart. It falls to, and it's range bound here, and again there's a small bullish trend. And when I see a small price change, also I should be able to book my profits, because I cannot carry forward for a long time, right? So this is how I've just broken down my trade which I took today, and it is just one single trade. I was able to book profits or about actually a little more than 12,000 rupees for today. So this is my trade for the day. I just wanted to explain it to you how you can also approach. Always important to take the right strike price and entry and exit at the right time. Then that will give you maximum returns. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you. So please leave your comments in the comment box. If you liked the video, please like it, and also subscribe and share the video. And I look forward to meeting you in the next video. Thank you. Take care.